Whoa, I'm an architect. Not building anything, I'm just chopping things away.
Same thing.
Same thing, the same thing, the same thing. That's you. And it's pronounced architect. Get it right.
No, it's pronounced a secret.
Secret.
Yeah, dumbass.
It's pronounced Arctic Tech. Because it's in the snow.
It makes sense.
Yeah. Bro, I saw something shameful the other day.
Uh-oh.
This is an actual college professor talking about global warming or some shit. You know, that fucking gay ass shit. Talking about the polar bears are dying because the
Go.
polar ice cap's melting. He kept calling it the Arctic.
That
In
sums
in
it up.
his presentation, he had it the Arctic. And I'm like, how the fuck am I supposed to take you seriously if you can't even spell Arctic right?
Yeah.
Oh my god. As if we needed more of a reason to know. These people have no fucking idea what they're talking about.
Yeah.
It's almost like they're just trying to scare you.
Yeah, and then they're so fucking stubborn about it too.
Well, the thing that pisses me off
If you're,
is
they're like,
no,
if
no,
you say
they
they're
sit
wrong,
there,
yeah,
and they talk like, "Oh, dude, the world's gonna end in like 4 years if we don't do a drastic turnaround and delete gas from our economy." And it's like, do you have any like source for that? No. And then if you sit there and question, they go like, "Oh my god, you're willing to risk the world for your fossil fuels? Oh my god. This is why capitalism is wrong." And it's like, "What?"
it's just nonsense. Yeah,
I mean, call me crazy, but I think you should have like a pretty good reason for destroying the thing that makes our economy go.
yeah. Whoa.
Like, still, all I can do is chop it
Yeah,
up like
I have no
that.
idea.
They're bugged, just don't worry about it.
If they climb up through those, that's gonna be upsetting.
You didn't know you could do that?
What?
That?
Oh, no.
Are you jumping?
No, I was doing a thing.
Oh.
Yummy. Leg.
Get Kelvin to get log.
Calvin log. Calvin log.
Get those penis logs.
No, 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 no. Okay.
Well, what happened?
I picked up the grenades there, and it put them in my hand, and I didn't feel safe. My everything was telling me to throw them.
Why didn't you
Oh,
throw them?
I don't want to destroy our hard work.
Oh, I see. You're a little bitch.
Where you set Kelvin to get more log?
No, I said you do that.
Okay.
He won't listen to me.
Really, he's a stinky.
I don't know. I didn't try. I figured he wouldn't because I'm
Get
not the host.
log and no, 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 not follow me, not follow me. No. He says no. He's shaking his head no like a retard. Okay, how about
Jerky.
get log and fill holder?
Bro, dude, we're out of food. What is this shit?
Didn't we just fight some people?
Yeah. Wait. I don't have any body parts.
Oh no, I fought them. It was over here. The body might have despawned.
Thanks to you, shitbag.
Well, I forgot to chop it up. I cannot carry any more C4 bricks.
He won't do it.
Yeah, he's low on energy. You just gotta let him chill for a while.
Oh, okay. Gotta tell him to take a break.
Yeah.
Man, he really is fucking retarded.
Yeah.
You see that? There he goes again.
What'd he do?
He's sitting down right next to the chair instead of just sitting in the chair.
Oh yeah. Oh, did you see the way that lady sits in the chair?
No.
She's like clipped through it. Like she's halfway through the back of the chair, like sitting on air.
Man, I love early access.
Yeah. Is this a AAA game? I think it is, yeah.
No,
No? Indie?
not indie, but it's not AAA.
Oh.
Hey, how did I get this spear?
I gave it to you earlier.
I never picked it up. I forgot about it. Like, I just remembered that. I've got 3 C4 bricks.
Rad. Let me see how many I
can
have.
put that on a time bomb.
Awesome. I have 10.
Bro, you want to play dodge bomb?
Yeah!
I need cloth.
Let's see what's in the skin pouch.
I'll show you a skin pouch. There's a skin pouch there?
5 coins and 1 duct tape.
We're rich!
Yeah! Oh, sometimes enemies will drop a skin pouch and you can open it.
Well, I wouldn't know because I haven't really killed a lot yet.
Ah. Weak.
I'm cold.
Me too.
Oh, fart.
Ah! Ah!
Get crucified.
Bro, can we crucify them in this?
I'll check. Just a second. Ooh, that's good.
Oh no!
What?
Oh no! It's fucking awful.
What? What happened?
I'm gonna send it to you. Sent it to you.
Alright. Oh no! Oh no! Uh, that's horrible.
The Terraria fandom is dying, like if you were a true terrorist. Right. The two personalities, which one are you? Type A. People with this personality type are energized by drinking dishwater and rubbing their own eyeballs with their grimy fingers. They do not tire
Oh,
from smacking their own head into car doors. This is very
oh.
powerful. Things type A's say are, boy, I'm about to go pig wild. Why I got bones. Gibberish. Type B. People with type B personalities are drained by drinking dishwater. They prefer to stick their face in a pond like a moose instead. Or a donkey. Or a donkey is its own sentence, completely separate. Type Bs prefer to spend their time trying to turn the microwave is on while their hand is in it just to see. What? Things type Bs say, Jinkus Pinkus. It's set up, it looks like an actual like study. It's just gibberish.
That's awesome.
Which the front end of your car, which hit his car in the rear. This is the front of your car. Close your mouth or just say yes or no. This is the front of your car.
I hear walking noises. Oh, he's up and walking around. He must be energized. Hello, buddy. How would you like to get logs and fill holder? I gave you 2 new holders to fill.
I'm gonna send this to you. We should stream this game again sometime.
Sons of the Forest?
No. I'm sending it to you.
Oh, wind boost.
Oh, man. They're beating his ass. He keeps going.
Decimated him. Holy, that was like Dark Knight Batman.
Slapping his face and just wham. Oh, they just threw him into the fire.
Awesome.
Vengeance.
Oh, let's see.
See what?
Oh, missing a rope for that.
You're a rope.
You want to finish it for me with the 1 rope?
Why?
It'll kill them. 1 hit.
I don't have any rope.
Dang. Don't destroy it. Don't destroy it. Don't. Are you just gonna kill yourself to go get supplies? Don't. I'm low on health already. Quit.
So am I, dude. We're just twinsies now.
Oh my god, relatable.
Bro, where's all the food at?
I don't have any limbs.
You locked Kelvin out.
He'll
I
be
just
fine.
see a log pressing up on it.
Oh,
Yeah, you're gonna be jealous.
let's sleep. Be jealous of what?
You'll see. Blast your prostate.
Don't forget to save, as
I'll
always.
save you.
Dare you? Dare you? When he manages to finish getting us sticks, logs, I'll make him get sticks.
What? It sure is taking him a while to get logs.
Yeah.
That's the only log he's brought in the past, like, since I've started. Or are you making shit too?
Oh, I was using them earlier.
You're stupid and ugly.
You're pooping and sluggy.
Guess I'm not
Blood-like.
gay like you.
Neither am I.
I'm just gonna start chopping these trees down.
Rad, that will make it a lot faster for him.
Alright. I hope this hits the base. It's chilly out here. When's it gonna change seasons?
I don't know. Give it a few days. Yeah. I threw the log at Kelvin and it killed him. I just revived him.
No wonder he won't do anything for us. He
Get-
hates you.
Get logs and fill holder.
He's like, no.
Okay, he'll do it. I gave him extra brain damage because he sat down. No sitting down on my wallet. I wish there was something like Kelvin in Minecraft. That'd be pretty interesting.
If you need help in Minecraft, you shouldn't be playing it.
No, I mean like command him to go die.
To go die?
Yeah, send him into
Why?
a dungeon.
What?
Just like half of the tree flew up.
It threw up?
It flew up.
Threw up?
Poop gup.
Threw up?
Yeah.
Took you a minute to realize I actually heard what you were saying. I just didn't give a shit.
No, I started saying poop gup.
No, 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 no. No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
No, I know what I heard.
I'm cool. I'm cooler than you. You can't say otherwise.
No.
Whatever you say right now is a lie.
Shadow said this is a lie.
Ah! A black hole forms.
No, Shadow said I wasn't very cool.
Oh, well, except that.
Nope. He says that I'm really cool.
Wow. You're being harsh on yourself, huh?
Hey, dude, food! There's food! Let's get some food!
Hey, buddy.
Why are they running?
There's one over here.
There's like 3 over here. They're killing each other. Oh shit. Come help. Come help.
I can't. There's one over here with me. How'd you hit me? You didn't even touch me.
Don't worry, I got this. Never mind. Alright, let's get him. Let's get him. Let's get him. Ow! Of course, one hit and I'm dead.
No, he'll kill me. Oh! There's 2 of them. I'll revive you in just a second. No, I'm stuck on the log.
Throw logs at them.
Genius!
Are you That's what the fuck? He hit me as soon as I got up. No!
This suck ass. I'm 1 hit away from death. Into the house! Hurry! Phew. If we're not safe in here, that would be stupid. Fuck.
Gee, it sure is boring around here.
I wonder what Ganon's up to.
Manendorf.
He's like, got a big hairy chest and he's buff.
They're just smashing the wall.
Where?
Over there on the side.
Oh.
Drinking some Wawa. Is that you?
I just repaired the wall they were damaging completely. I undid all their progress.
Where's Kelvin?
I don't know. He's way off over there.
I know.
I think they can manage to fucking drag him away. I don't know how, if that's true.
Well,
But
he's
it's
dead.
whatever. Nah, he'll come back. He'll be fine. It's just a bunch of rowdy cannibals.
Randy cannibals?
Rowdy.
Randy?
Rowdy.
Randy?
I'm gonna rape you.
You don't get it.
I do.
What is it?
Horny.
Give
I got a plan. I'm gonna need one of these logs for the plan.
me my log back.
Hold on, you'll understand in just a second. How do you do the log thing?
What log thing?
Make a thing up there so I can poke him.
Huh?
Make
Give
a
it to
thing
me.
up.
That's not a log.
No?
No.
Oh.
You gotta do it on one of those flat ones.
Oh.
No.
Oh, we can just use 2 logs. Or that. Okay, yeah, that works.
What?